What's up guys, this is DF Test Channel. Today OPPO K1 quick unboxing. Okay, don't waste your time. Box front K1 logo here. Let's open the box. Inside mini box here, more phone here. Phone looking amazing. See guys, phone is dual tone color. It's looking nice. Also display is water drop, not so cool. More mini inside box, free case and booklets here. Last AC adapter and USB cable here. OPPO K1 versus OPPO R17, also same water drop notch on top. Bottom side same bezel size, also same. Major manufacturers like Samsung may not have moved to display-based fingerprint sensors, but some Chinese manufacturers won't be waiting for them. We have already seen companies like OPPO bring this technology to market. OPPO has now released a new device which is perhaps the most affordable smartphone on the market with an in-display fingerprint sensor. The OPPO K1 has been announced and it costs roughly $230. Advertising. Some of the devices from these manufacturers have been in the flagship range, so anyone willing to use this technology was largely limited to forking out big money for the high-end models. The OPPO K1 addresses this as it's a purely mid-range device with a price tag to match. It's powered by a Snapdragon 660 processor with up to 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage. It features a 6.4-inch OLED display. There's a fingerprint sensor underneath it which allows users to unlock the device by just placing their finger on the display. From the looks of it, this could be a variant of the more expensive OPPO F9. OPPO has said that the K1 is only going to be released in China initially. The company does release its devices in a variety of markets, particularly those in Asia, so it remains to be seen if this affordable smartphone with an in-display fingerprint sensor will make its way outside of China.